In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how many times TikTok video has been shared. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. TikTok Analytics section allows users to check their videos' total amount of views, likes, shares, comment and bookmarks. And now let me show you how you can easily find that information. So first, open up TikTok app and then just hit at your profile icon to open up your profile. And now, in order to check statistics for a particular video, all you have to do is open up that video, then hit a three dots icon and right here hit on analytics, and on that page you can get all information about that video, the amount of replays, likes, comments, shares and bookmarks. So this video has 185 shares. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.